Hey guys, Tech Mentor with the video for guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to have a photo shuffle wallpaper on your iPhone so that you can have photos rotate on your iPhone wallpaper. So let's show you how that's done. So in order to do that, you can do it a couple ways here. First, in a simple way, you can probably go into your setting of your iPhone and then go on select on wallpaper and simply add a new wallpaper right here where it says add new wallpaper. And you see the option here to add a new wallpaper. Now this is on iOS 17, so you'll need at least iOS 17 or later. And if you click on that, it'll allow you to choose the photos that you want the wallpaper to rotate through. You can choose it manually or you can choose an album. So I'll choose photos manually. So let's say I want 1, 2, 3 or 4 photos. You can choose as many as you need to, or you can also select the album, right? Either where it works, and you click on add, and now it will rotate through those photos. You can click on to check those photos. You can add more photos there as well, so click on those. And other things you can also do here is also show the frequency of it, right? You can do it hourly, daily, on each time it locks, or each tap as well are the options for the different frequency. I'll leave it as is. You can also do other things here, but after you click on that add option, right, it's gonna save, and then you can set as wallpaper, and now we have this new wallpaper which will for us change every time or every hour, at least instead of frequency. You can also click on the wallpaper here and do the same exact thing by adding a wallpaper, and this feature also comes up right there as well. Same exact thing. You can click on it, choose the album, or just do it manually, and you'll be able to set up your shuffling photo wallpaper on your iPhone. And I hope this video was helpful and you guys found it useful. If so, please do consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.